Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our digital world. I'm your host, and today we're focusing on a fascinating feature of blockchain technology, smart contract development, specifically through the OpenZeppelin library. Now, if you're new to the world of blockchain, smart contracts can seem a bit daunting. They are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code, running on the Ethereum blockchain, among others. With the rise of decentralized applications, or dApps, smart contracts have become essential for executing transactions and applications autonomously and securely. But how do developers harness this power? This is where our star player, OpenZeppelin, comes into the spotlight. Think of OpenZeppelin as a superhero toolkit for developers. It provides a solid foundation of their community-vetted code, making it easier and safer to build on Ethereum. With implementations of widely used standards like ERC20 and ERC721, basically the blueprints for tokens and collectibles, OpenZeppelin helps developers avoid common pitfalls while coding. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I start? Well, OpenZeppelin has an interesting tool called Contracts Wizard. It's like having a personal assistant to generate smart contracts interactively. You just select what you need, and voila, you've got a contract ready to deploy. It's perfect for newcomers who might feel overwhelmed by the coding aspect. Let's talk a bit about security, because believe me, in the realm of smart contracts, it's paramount. OpenZeppelin addresses security through rigorous risk management strategies and best practices. They have a robust developing process that involves multi-layered reviews, incident response preparedness, and even a bug bounty program on ImmuneFi. This helps ensure that vulnerabilities are addressed promptly and responsibly. Now here's a fun little tidbit. OpenZeppelin Contracts follows semantic versioning. That means if you're planning to upgrade your contracts, be aware that not all versions are compatible. For instance, upgrading from version 4.9.3 to 5.0 isn't as simple as it sounds. You actually need to consider how your storage layout might change. It's like upgrading your phone's software. An exciting move, but not without careful planning to avoid glitches. And for those who want to dive deeper, OpenZeppelin provides comprehensive documentation and guides that help developers understand everything from access control to creating tradable assets. It's like a treasure map leading you through the concepts and best practices of smart contract development. To wrap things up, whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about the blockchain landscape, resources like OpenZeppelin make the complex world of smart contracts accessible and manageable. So, if you're considering stepping into this space, I'd encourage you to explore their tools and documentation. Before we sign off, I'd love to leave you with a thought-provoking question. As technology continues to evolve, how do you see the role of smart contracts changing the way we interact with each other in digital spaces? It's a fascinating topic worth pondering, and I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning into Tech Talk. If you enjoyed today's discussion, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.